Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the steps to allow microphone access on Gmail. This is essential for anyone looking to send voice messages or conduct video calls directly through the app. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and locate the Settings app. This is where you'll manage all your device settings, including app permissions. Once you open the settings, scroll down until you find Applications or Apps. Tap on it to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Now look for the Gmail application in this list. Once you find it, tap on it to access its settings. This section is crucial as it contains various options related to how Gmail interacts with your device. Next, you'll want to find Permissions within the Gmail settings. This is where you can control what features Gmail can access on your device. Tap on Permissions, and here you will see a list of different permissions that Gmail requires, including access to your microphone. Locate the microphone permission in this list. If you see that it's currently disabled or set to Deny, that's what we need to change. Tap on the microphone option, and a menu will appear with different choices for allowing access. Choose the option that says Allow Only while using the app. This setting ensures that Gmail can use your microphone when the app is open, but not at other times, keeping your privacy intact while still enabling functionality. After selecting this option, make sure to exit back to the main Gmail settings and restart the app for these changes to take effect. This step is crucial for ensuring that all settings are properly applied. And there you have it. You've successfully allowed microphone access on Gmail. Now you can easily record and send voice messages or participate in video calls directly from your Gmail app without any issues. Thank you for following along. If you found this guide helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more tech tutorials and tips. Stay tuned for our next video.